Hey, my name is Suprit Kaur. This presentation looks at how KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines, and Lufthansa use information and decision science to make better choices. It focuses on how KLM can improve risk management, sustainability, and digital decision making in the next 3 to 5 years. This slide shows the agenda. First, there is a short introduction to KLM and its situation. Then the presentation covers KLM sustainability goals, risk management plans and digital strategy, followed by current decision-making frameworks, a comparison with Lufthansa, future recommendations, key challenges, emerging risk, and finally the conclusion and the references. This slide shows the introduction. KLM uses analytics, clear rules, and sustainability models to guide its decisions. Recently, it faced about 1.3 billion euros in expenses in one quarter, which shows strong financial pressure because rules, environmental demands, and new technology are changing fast. KLM needs strong risk analysis to stay safe and stable. This slide shows the sustainability. KLM wants to use more sustainable aviation fuel to help cut carbon emissions. It aims to act responsibly and ethically, following global environmental rules. Digital monitoring system helps measure and report how well KLM is doing on sustainability, and green aviation program support its long-term environmental goals. This slide shows the future risk management. KLM plans to strengthen risk management by using more dynamic digital monitoring tools. Predictive analytics will help the airline see more operational risks earlier. Strong cybersecurity will protect important data and systems, and training staff will improve awareness and readiness for different risks. This slide shows the digital transformation. KLM's digital strategy focuses on using artificial intelligence to improve global forecasting. It wants to use advanced analytics to speed up major decisions. Automation and real-time monitoring will reduce manual work and help the airline react more quickly, while smart digital platforms should make the organization more resilient and agile. This slide shows the current frameworks. At present, KLM uses systematic risk management models that match international aviation and corporate standards. It uses artificial intelligence and tools like the Digital Decision Support Hub to assess real-time and past data for performance checks and risk evaluation. These systems increase efficiency, but sharing and integrating information between departments still needs to be improved. This slide shows the benchmarking. When KLM is compared with others in the industry, Lufthansa's central data cloud gives strong standardization and unified control. KLM's more collaborative models offer flexibility and build sustainability into decision making. By following the clear benchmarking steps like design, implementation, documentation, maintenance, and retirement, KLM can learn best practices, increase automation, and better align performance across the organization. This slide shows the recommendation. Over the next 3 to 5 years, KLM should strengthen its risk tracking using more advanced analytics. It needs integrated data systems so that strategic decisions can be made faster and in a more consistent way. AI governance should be widened to ensure systems are ethical and transparent, and sustainability measures should be built into planning so environmental goals are part of all major decisions. With over 100 years of experience in aviation and safety, KLM has a strong base to keep learning and improving. This slide shows the operational and financial risks. KLM faces several big risks in operations, such as capacity limits and flight disruptions that affect service and punctuality. Complex digital systems can make maintenance more difficult and increase dependence on technology. Fuel price changes also add financial uncertainty, and at the scale of big airlines such as Lufthansa, with about 37.5 billion euros in revenue in 2024, these risks are significant. This means KLM must keep checking and managing these risks to support long-term stability. This slide shows the market and competitive risks. The global aviation market is very competitive. Customers expect good digital services and strong environmental performance from airlines. Revenue can rise and fall quickly, making planning harder, and even though the industry is expected to reach record revenues and profits in 2025 and 2026, KLM must stay flexible and agile to keep up. This slide shows the emerging risks. New risks are also growing. Cybersecurity threats make digital systems more vulnerable, and AI ethics and governance are more important as algorithms play larger roles in decisions. Environmental rules require deeper cuts in emissions, which affect fleet, fuel, and route choices, and KLM must also keep improving its staff's digital skills. At the same time, global cybercrime cost may rise from about $9.22 trillion in 2024 to $13.82 trillion by 2028, showing how serious cyber risk has become. This slide shows the conclusion. The presentation ends by stressing that KLM's success depends on strong evidence-based decision-making supported by predictive analytics. It also depends on ethical AI governance, deeper integration of sustainability into all planning, and greater strategic agility and digital strength. These elements together will help KLM remain resilient in a fast-changing aviation industry. And the last slide shows the references. It lists the main sources used such as reports from KLM and Air France KLM, research on artificial intelligence in aviation, digital strategy and benchmarking, digital strategies, benchmarking studies, and financial and industrial data, which together support the analysis and recommendations in this presentation. Thank you.